Hello all, this is Damini, co-founder of We Make Scholars. Thanks for watching LoanFlix in Shorts. So today we are going to discuss another important topic, that is loan insurance. Many of you don't even know that you'll have to incur expense on loan insurance before getting your sanction letter from a private bank or NBFC in India. Do you know what is the benefit of taking this loan insurance? And is it mandatory to take one? Let me guide you on that. Point number one. Loan insurance is taken to protect your co-applicant, who in most of the cases are your parents. Loan insurance simply means that if something like terminal illness or death happens to the applicant, in that case the co-applicant will not be liable to pay the loan back. Instead, the insurance company will pay for it. Point number two. The charges of loan insurance are generally between 0.5 to 1% for public banks, about 1.5% for private banks, and about 2% for NBFCs. Point number three, even if you opt for loan insurance, you don't have to pay for it upfront. The lender actually takes it from the approved loan limit. For example, if 40 lakhs is approved to you and 50,000 is the insurance amount, your loan amount will be modified to 40 lakh 50,000 and the lender will take 50,000 out of it. Point number four. It is not mandatory to take a loan insurance in government banks, but when it comes to private banks and NBFCs, it is kind of mandatory. And the final point, the cost of loan insurance is actually a factor of the loan tenure and the applicant's age. So the lower the loan tenure, the lower will be the insurance cost. So if you think that the loan insurance cost the lender is telling you is on the higher end and it's higher than the approximations I just gave you in point number two, then in that case it is very probable that the lender is making some error in adding those parameters in the insurance form. And it is a very common mistake in case of government banks. So if you think that the charges are on the higher side, please reach out to your We Make Scholars financial officer. They will talk to the bank and they will try to guide them on how to reduce it. If you haven't been assigned a financial officer yet, you can request a callback using the link given in the video description and the financial officer will get in touch with you. For your information, all the services of We Make Scholars are completely free of cost as we are funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India. One more extra information which I want to share is that in the State Bank of India, if you opt for their loan insurance, that is Rin Raksha, you get 0.5% reduction in your rate of interest. Hence, it's a very lucrative deal. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you appreciate the effort we put in to bring out this information to you, then you can subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon below to get regular updates. Do like and share it with your friends and colleagues who might be in need of funds for their abroad studies. Keep watching LoanFlix.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.